Hello guys, this is Sanju from Gadgets Goods. Today I'm gonna unboxing this newly launched in India Yeelight Candela, which is also called a candlelight. If you are looking for your dinner light or something special, then this is for you. I brought from Amazon, and this cost me around 2,500. But here you can see this. In price mention is 6,000. So today I'm gonna unboxing this beautiful light candle. This can operate from your mobile. Also you can operate from your Google Assistants, and also you can operate from Alexa as well. So today I'm gonna unboxing this one and give you my review to you guys. So here I'm unboxing this candle. Okay, showing this given one manual in upper. It has 2100 mAh battery inbuilt power that gives you 3-4 day easily backup, and you can connect this from your Android device as well as iOS device, and you can also connect here from your laptop. Here is the product, and company mentioned that you can use continuously 8 hours in single charge, and has 16,000 K beautiful brightness. You can adjust from your hand and as well as app. Here is the product. Wow, so beautiful. It had delicate glass on upper body. You can change the brightness of your candlelight, and very small, very handy, and very beautiful, elegant. If you're looking for a beautiful glass, this is for you. And I guess this is the on off button switch, and you can charge from your ear. It has micro USB slot. It has, you can see it, and very beautiful look. When you charging this light will on, and in the present, if it's full charge, it goes on fully green. The lamp look very elegant, so I just turn on my lamp and see the difference. It's very good, very good. You can change brightness from this, and just open, rotate, you change your rotate, the brightness will go up and up and up and up, and this gives you so much brightness. If you're looking for a good backlight, this is for you. And if you're looking for something different in your life, and this is for you also. I'm very much impressed about the light quality, very handy. And it also has Wi-Fi inbuilt, Bluetooth inbuilt, with you can use from your Alexa as well as Google Assistant, and as well as the Yeelight app. So I just off it and check the manual book what else it gives. So here is a scan QR code. You can scan from here and download the app. And remember, this is the Indian versions of Candela. You can choose Indian region to use it. Don't have to do in China region, because it already launched in Gearbest, AliExpress before. So many buyers already buy it from there, but this is the Indian versions, and you can buy it from India and you get warranty. I just use 1 hour from the unboxing, and it given me continuously 1 hour battery life. I did not charge it yet. So today I'm ending up my video. This is from here, from Gadgets Goods. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, then two thumbs up, and please share it. If you have any query, then comment below. I will definitely answer all your comment and queries. Okay, thank you.